Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on chapter similarity. Basic proportionality theorem we are going to learn. What is basic proportionality theorem? Basic proportionality theorem is otherwise known as Thales theorem. In short we say BPT, basic proportionality theorem. What is the theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, let me draw line. This is triangle ABC. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, let me name this line as DE. Let this line intersects AB and AC, D and E. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is the theorem. That means what is given is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC given, and this line DE is intersecting AB at D, AC at E. That is what is given. And it is proved that, and we have to prove that it is the line divides the other two sides proportionally, or then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is what we have to prove. That is already proved and it became a theorem, but how to prove it? Let us learn. Okay, so these two are parallel. We have to show that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, just let me explain you first. Can we make triangle ABC and triangle ADE similar? Okay, your proof comes in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, these two are parallel. So these two are corresponding angles. Similarly, these two are corresponding angles. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADE because they are the corresponding angles. You know that if two lines are parallel, the pace of corresponding angles are equal. Same way, angle ACB is equal to angle AED because of the same reason. So two angles of triangle ABC are equal to two angles of triangle ADE. So under AE axiom, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE under AA rule or AA axiom or AA criterion, whatever we can say. And already you have learned that if two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional to each other. So let me rub this. I think theorem is clear to you. So now we have shown that these two triangles are similar. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Once two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional to each other. So triangle is, therefore AB by AD is equal to AB by AD equal to AC by AE. AC by AE. But we know that AB means AD plus DB. So AB means AD plus DB by AD equal to, same way AC means AE plus EC. AE plus EC by AE. Let us expand this. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. EC by AE. Now, AD by AD, if you cancel, you will get 1 plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE 1 plus EC by AE. Yes or no? Now let me do here. That implies this side 1 will be cancelled. We get dB by AD equal to EC by AE. dB by AD equal to EC by AE. So let us, both the sides, let us write the reciprocal of the given. You will get AD by dB is equal to AE by EC. So that is what we have proved. That means if a line intersects, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is your basic proportionality theorem. And here, not only AD by dB equal to AE by EC, already you see children here you got AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Or we can say AD by AB equal to AE by AC. That means if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, many things we can show. Here you proved AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Here you are shown AB by AD equal to AC by AE. If you do reciprocal both the sides, you will get AD by AB equal to AE by AC. And also here dB by AD is also equal to EC by AE. So anyway, and also we can show dB by AB equal to EC by AC. So all the ways we can show. Okay. Now this is what is your basic proportionality theorem. Next you are going to learn about what is its converse. Converse of basic proportionality theorem means it will be given that a line is if a line divides the two sides proportionally, that line is parallel to the third side. Just converse, reverse of this is your converse of basic proportionality theorem. Let us learn that. So this is your converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is this? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, let me draw and show you. So this is triangle ABC. This is DE. This let me produce line we say now. Okay. This is DE. Okay. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, that means what is given to you is in triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC given. Then the line is parallel to the third side. You have to prove that line DE is parallel to BC. Just to converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. In this case, construction step is required. What is this construction? Let us think that DE is not parallel to BC. Let us draw DF. Let us think that DF is parallel to BC. Draw, if DE is not parallel to BC, draw DF parallel to BC. May or take a point F on AC such that DF is parallel to BC. Okay, how to prove it? Let us see. Means what is given is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC given. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Let us think that DE is not parallel to BC. So let us take point F on AC so that such that DF is parallel to BC. Okay, to prove it. In this triangle, now we have taken DF is parallel to BC. Okay, AD by DB is equal to DF is parallel to BC. Sorry, in triangle ABC, what is given is DF is parallel to BC. Okay, therefore, AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. That is by basic proportionality theorem. Just now you have learned that If DF is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, that line divides the other two sides proportionally, you have learned. So if DF is parallel to BC, we have taken. So AD by DB equal to AF by FC. But what is given? But it is given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC given. What is given to you? AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC given. Here AD by DB, here AD DB. So from these two, we can know that AF by FC equal to AE by EC. This is, let me take it 1 second. From these two equations, we can know that AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. Okay. Let us add 1 both the sides. AF by FC plus 1 equal to AE by EC plus 1. FC will be the LCM. You will get AF plus FC. Here EC will be the LCM. AE plus EC. Okay. Now let me rub here. So what is AF plus FC? This is converse of basic proportionality theorem. AF plus FC means AC. That means AC by FC is equal to AE plus EC equal to again AC. AC by EC. In both the sides, numerators are same. That means denominators are equal. That means FC is equal to EC. If FC is equal to EC means F and E coincide. That means F and E coincide. That means DE and DF are not the same. They are not the different. They are the same. DE and F coincide. That means we can show that if DF is parallel to BC, we have taken means DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. We have taken DF parallel to BC. But now we came to know that F and E are the only one point. So DE is parallel to BC. That is how we have proved the converse of basic proportionality theorem is true. Okay. So with this you could understand what is BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and its converse. Thank you.